Good morning, Hornets. Today is Monday, May 20th. We have our exam schedule starting tomorrow through Thursday, and this will be emailed out to you. But the biggest pieces that you need to be, it's going to look like this. The biggest things that you need to be concerned about are right here. Okay, so tomorrow we have our Kings Island incentive trip for the students that earn that. All students will be dismissed at 2:40. On Wednesday, okay, we have our award ceremony in the morning. Seventh grade students, you are dismissed. You're free to go at 12:37 if you would choose to do so. Okay. Eighth grade students, we have your eighth grade picnic. That's going to be from 11:30 to 1:30, so you can be picked up by 1:30 by the field house area behind the school. Okay. Buses will still leave at 2:40 on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, it is an early dismissal for everybody at 12:15. Okay, so we'll be sure to send that out. Check your email. I have sent that out. Tell your parents, your families. I've sent that out to them as well. And that'll be in the morning announcements each day. Okay, and we do have Water Wars today. We're very excited about that, our Hive competitions. So your schedule will be displayed by your first period teacher. But essentially, the eighth grade hives are going to be out first. They're going to report to the football stadium around 7:45 to 7:50, and we'll get everybody set up out there. We'll go over the rules, and we're going to start with the tug of war competition. Seventh grade, your hives, okay, you're going to report to the stadium at 9:50. Okay, so that should put us close to the end of third period, but 9:50 is when the seventh grade hives will be coming out. Okay, there's our team colors. Hopefully, you dressed appropriately for your hive today. Okay, and then we also have an award ceremony practice session today. Okay, so seventh graders, if your name was on that list, you're going to be visiting during seventh period. Eighth graders, you're going to be visiting during eighth period. Okay, and these are going to be in the auditorium only if your name was on the list. I'm going to pull that list up really quick. It's going to look exactly like this. Your parents, families, you all received this, okay? There's a tab for seventh grade. There's a tab for eighth grade at the bottom, okay? Make sure you're on the right tab. If your name is on this list, you need to come down to the auditorium at those times, okay? Again, seventh grade during seventh period, eighth grade during eighth period. So make sure that is all in place there, okay? For the Kings Island incentive trip, okay, we know that that is tomorrow. There is a meeting today at 12:10, which is during sixth period. Okay, so some of you might just be getting back from lunch. 6 bell, 12:10. Everybody needs to make it to the auditorium. We're going to do a combined meeting for seventh and eighth grade at the same time. You need to report to the auditorium because we're going to go over all things Kings Island and our different procedures. Okay, so that'll be at 12:10 today. If you're a student that did not qualify for Kings Island, you did not earn the incentive, you'll be in the stay back room, just like we do every quarter. Okay, you'll stay here in the building while we're out having fun. If you decide to potentially skip school, arrange a ride, and make a trip to Kings Island, that will be reported to our attendance officer. I have a full list of stay back students that I can reference at the park. So I'll make sure your name is jotted down if you're seen at the park, and then we'll handle your truancy issues with the attendance officer. So keep that in mind and make good decisions there. Okay. A lot going on. Today will be a blast. Just remember the different times that we had different meetings and set for all throughout the day today. Okay. And that's all for our morning announcements. I hope everybody has a fantastic day in Hornet Country.